My name? You wanna know my name? My name is Snowflake. And I'm on a special mission because it's freezing cold out here. For the first time ever. I love the freezing cold. I love the cold so much that it almost looks like a trail full of semen. But it's really good semen. I would even eat it. Do you want me to eat the semen? I'm not gay, but I love the snow. That's why they call me Snowflake. Snowflake the man. Snowflake. Don't worry, Snow. I will be going out very soon. Soon we will live together again. God damn it. Look like someone wet there. You know what's. I have to come back very soon, my snowy pretty. The ice is all gone. The snow, it's going away. I've been too busy inside of my place beating my sausage. Oh no, I almost slipped. Oy. I'm going to fall in a puddle one day. Oh no, where's the snow? The snow is not there. It's not there. There is still some snow. There's still a bit of snow. It looks like snow, but it's literally ice. Who knows what this is? Damn it. Damn it. Watch, I will try to break this. Oh shit, no. This is too much. Snowy. Oh shit. I thought I was the ice king. Fucking. Oh shit. Jet. I tried to find my dog Fifi, but I forgot I left Fifi back at France. But I don't know where is Fifi. Oh wait, I just said I left her back at France to visit here in the wonderful world of Houston, who so happens to have a little bit of the snow. The snow. I just came everywhere. I tell you, I just came. This is not snow, this is cheese. Pure cheese that I have done is very slippery. Oh no, sleep can be very slippery. Finally, ice that does not make you drown to the little fishies. I am French. I am not Russian. Can you tell my accent? I am definitely French, but I can do Russian. Russia! I am Snowflake, Ice King, I say. Oui. Yeah, I want to leave my trail here, but it seems like it's not. Why is it not working? I want to leave my trail and say the one and only Snowflake was here. Snowflake, was here. Oh no, I hope I don't drown. I will never drown. I am Snowflake. I am so invincible. Oh, look so cute. Look so cute. Oh, look so cute. I will play. I love the soccer. Ho ho ho. I don't have the ball with me, but I will pretend to have the ball. Goal! Goal! Okay, this is PSG, and this is I don't know Bayern, but I am not sure what Bayern is. I was soccer, but I don't know who is who from. Oh, time. Hold on. Think. Oh look, we have found the soccer ball. Now we will score for PSG. Go in. Come on. This is okay. Come on. Yeah. I scored a goal. That's right, people. I played the soccer. I made the goal. Nobody wants to play the soccer. Nobody. Everyone is afraid of the one and only Snowflake. Yeah. Snowflake. Pop the champagne. The sun is almost down. But I will see you guys later on my next snowy adventure. Bye bye. I cannot feel my fingers or my face or anything. Oh shit.